outer space. Make sure to have a good day at school today, or you will be grounded big time.
Okay, Dad. Man, school is so stupidly boring. What? But have an idea. I will prank the school by pulling the fire alarm.
Okay, no, there wasn't supposed to be a fire drill today, but also no, someone in this class pulled it. Whoever did it, please tell me.
Mom did it, but can please have a second chance?
Absolutely not. You made 600 students and staff think there was a major emergency. That's it. You are suspended for the rest of the school year. Go home.
You so grounded for 677 years. Go to your room now.
Wow.